The 22nd Roofs Prague Trade Fair Střechy took place in the Prague Exhibition Centre Letňany in February of this year, a high-ranking event with the global trends and innovations in the field of roofs and cladding for buildings. Tens of thousands of people, especially professionals, visit this event every year. One of the highlights of the trade fair was the award ceremony for the best products of the year, the Golden Tile. The company SEMA was awarded an Honourable Mention for the program version V21, enabling its new software module, the direct import of up to billions of measured points from 3D laser scanners. It has been a huge challenge to process such a large number of measured data. SEMA Software has been on the international market for 36 years now. The Czech version has been available since 2006. We do not only provide our software, but also training and technical support, and the processing of interesting orders. A new feature we present here is the use of a 3D scanner, which is a modern method of measuring. The SEMA software has a new module called Quantity Systems Integration Pro. This is the only module that can import a large number of points into the software. The obtained data is used to process the roof construction, for renovations, and to determine the amount of deformation. One single software includes all tools for complete order processing, from measuring the existing building to planning construction and preparing the data ready for the CNC machine. Our software supports a modern way of processing timber elements and timber constructions. The customer no longer works directly on site. After measuring in a simple way, he then simply continues to work on the computer at home. The software does not only provide the complete documents for manual production, but also all necessary data for CNC machines. For example, last year we worked on 2 church towers. One of them is presented here. Thanks to this modern method, the time of reconstruction has been significantly shortened. We measured the church tower, performed the design, and prepared the production data for the CNC machine. The church tower was constructed completely in a production hall, where it was cladded and transported in 2 parts to the construction site. The old church tower was then taken down by a crane before the immediate installation of the new one. Compared to the usual method in which the old tower had to be taken down and the building had to be temporarily covered until a copy of the church tower had been created during 1 year on site, we managed to reduce the time required from 1.5 years to 1 month. Another interesting order was the measuring of St. Clement's Church in Prague, Holešovice, where we used the 3D scanning method. Here you can see how the roof construction has been imported into the software and further ways of working on it. Furthermore, the company SEMA participated in an extensive additional program related to this international trade fair. Practice-oriented discussions about the use of digital technologies attracted a lot of visitors. We congratulate the company SEMA on this prestigious award, and we are looking forward to meeting again at next year's fair.